My name is Shadi Razak. I'm one of the co-founders of Angoka, and I'm also the CTO. My role focuses on building the technology and the development of the products that we are offering for the connected and autonomous mobility industry. And our products focus on building trust and securing machine-to-machine communication into the industry. Smart cities are built to help our life to be more comfortable, to help us to excel as well. And digital transformation is all around us. The challenge with that makes smart cities and next gen mobility open to a complex of risks because we depend on the authenticity of the data that we are sharing between those devices. And that's where Angoka came on, as we needed to look on how we can secure that machine-to-machine communication in a world that is over interconnected. And the current silo security solutions do not guarantee an end-to-end security of the communication. And that's when Angoka started through a CCAV funding call back in 2017. And we built our technology to secure the communication within the vehicle and outside the vehicle. And by 2019, we have our patent, and we started Angoka as an entity in Northern Ireland, in Belfast. Vehicles are built on a historical architecture, and using a legacy type of protocols for communications, which are not easy to deal with. And a lot of new technologies always try to avoid being a retrofittable solution. And we know that a connected and autonomous vehicles, we're not going to sleep and wake up tomorrow and we're going to have all of our vehicles are autonomy on level 5 and all of them are connected and there's no other vehicles. We're going to go through a stage where we're going to have non-connected devices, retrofittable connected, vehicles, half autonomy, if we can say that, like level 3 of autonomy, and then a full autonomy coming in. And for that, we need to have a way where they can all collaborate and work with each other to ensure the security and the resilience of the whole system. And that's where we started with that point when we built our technology, and we focused on, can we retrofit parts of security and parts of that trust into vehicles that they are not connected or not in level autonomy, 3 or 4 or 5.
Which testbeds are you working with as part of the CAM scale-up program?
So we are working with 2 of the testbeds, Hariba Myra and Millbrook Column Road. We chose Hariba Myra because of their expertise, and they are a trusted partner into the automotive ecosystem. We're working with them on testing the resilience of our solution. So they are doing a cybersecurity assessment of our solution. The second type of testing that we are doing is implementing our technology, or integrating, our technology into off-the-shelf commercial ECUs in a real vehicle network. Testbed that we are working with is Column Millbrook, as I said, and with that one, we are actually doing a real-life test of our technology at the Column Road testbed, where we are driving 3 vehicles in a real-life city environment, and we are authenticating the communication between them and the infrastructure.
What can we expect from Angoka over the next year and beyond?
Great things. Actually, the future is quite bright for us, and I do mean it. So we are engaged in, as if you remember, I've mentioned that for us, connected and autonomous mobility is not just vehicle. It's also, in our opinion, include air mobility, which is unmanned air vehicles such as drone. And we are excited about doing 2 projects with BT and Cranfield University and Altitude Angel. And currently we're talking with the help of Zenzig through the program. We've got a number of introductions to OEMs that we are talking with them, and we're discussing, running a number of demonstrators of our technology on their own vehicle as well.